Legend says in the mid 12th century, a warrior monk in Japan named Benki armed himself with 7 weapons and was known to have carried these weapons on his back wherever he wandered. The efficient use of these 7 weapons made him invincible in any war. Kaoru Ishikawa, a quality guru and a professor in the University of Tokyo, believed in this legend. Knowing the powers of the 7 weapons that Benki carried, Ishikawa packaged a set of 7 quality tools. These tools are simple and basic, but extremely powerful to improve your business process, reduce variation, and eliminate waste. Ishikawa believed that if every employee of any organization, irrespective of his or her level, practiced these 7 tools, he or she will be able to bring a positive change in that business process. Ishikawa's vision was a success, and soon these tools came to be known as the 7 basic tools of quality. Welcome to the 7 Basic Tools of Quality certification program. This course is designed to help you become an expert on each of these 7 basic tools of quality. By doing this course, you will analyze data and business situations using the 7 basic tools of quality, demonstrate the ability to perform the 7 basic tools of quality using PowerPoint and Excel, use graphical techniques to evaluate business issues and recommend actions, and solve business problems using these 7 quality tools. This is a certification course. That is, post completion of this course, you will not only receive the Udemy certificate of completion, but you can also become AIGPE certified 7 basic tools of quality expert. Applying for AIGPE certification is optional and is not a mandatory part of course completion. What is the course eligibility requirement? This course has 2 prerequisites. 1. You must have a total work experience of minimum 6 months in any industry. And 2. You must know how to use basic Excel formulas. Who am I and why should you learn from me? My name is Rahul Iyer. My credentials include I am a certified Six Sigma Master Black Belt, a certified Six Sigma Black Belt thrice, a lean specialist, a certified project management professional, a certified Scrum Master, and an individual with over 19 years of work experience, 15 plus years of which is dedicated to the field of quality. And it is my genuine pleasure to share my knowledge, experience, and expertise with you by virtue of this training course. This course is built on the same principles that all my other courses are built. That is, you first learn and assimilate the concept, then you practice the concept with me using a real life example, and finally you continue to practice the concept further using the activities provided in each section. This step-by-step method of learning each concept not only cements your knowledge and skills, but it also fosters hands-on experience and expertise. And I don't say this, it is said by the several thousands of my students who have provided their candid written feedback for all of my courses. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that enroll button and achieve your 7 basic tools of quality certification today.